Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel and namaste as well. In today's video, I'm gonna talk about this one. What is this? Boom! This is one of the GoPro most available accessories in the market. So what does this really mean? Let's find out. This one is hand, purse, wrist strap. I think you can see from here. So today let's talk about this GoPro accessory. This is a hand and wrist strap. As you can see in the picture, this goes in your hand and this one goes in your wrist. Okay. It also has got 360-degree rotation as well, so you can rotate with any angle, whatever angle you like. And I'll just read this for you.
Strap your GoPro to your hand or wrist. 360 rotation makes it fast and easy to adjust your capture angle. Plus, your GoPro can conveniently fold out of the way, right against the mount.
That's the description about it. It also includes rotating mount, hand strap, wrist strap, thumb screw. So that's all inside of it. Let's unbox it, okay? And let's review this one.
What you guys are thinking about? Already thinking about the price? Don't worry, I'll just let you know.
Let's go to the price tag.
Almost $80 Australian dollars, that is. Okay, let's unfold it. What's inside this? Hey, come on, come outside. So this is all we have got inside the box, including the knot as well. Let's see how it goes.
So I'll just read the contents for you here. This GoPro product is covered by a lifetime. So it has got lifetime warranty and it's fixed in manufacture and outlines it for the lifetime of the product for the benefit of the first purchaser or future recipient. So what else we have got here? Handful.
Mount your GoPro to your hand or with a guide. So this is the guide. Let's see how it goes. Attaching to your hand. So this one goes like this in your hand. Just you have to do like this. This is the wrist one.
First best way to keep the straps clean after adjusting the mount. Be sure the lens is free of fingerprints and smudges, okay? Do not attach hand plus wrist strap to your neck or head. To prevent injury, tighten strap only enough to keep the mount from shifting. So this one is on different language.
So guys, as you can see here, let's follow the steps to make it clear for you, okay? So as you can see in the figure, I have got two straps here. So this one is basically for the hand and this might be for the wrist. So same from the figure, this one goes this side. This one goes in here. And this one must be to this side. So this one must be in this side. So it goes like this, guys. It stands in your hand like this, and you put your GoPro here, and when you ride a bike or cycle, it will assist you in this one. Now let's see how it goes for the wrist. Okay, for the wrist, as you can see in the figure, first we have to pull through like this and take it from the bottom to the top. Let's see. So this is the final look of this. Simply you can just put the straps here and you can fix it in your hand.
So this is how it goes, guys. In the wrist.
Okay friends, so for your GoPro you can do like this. Put your GoPro in here, fix a knot, and you can do your video like this. Simply easy and convenient for you. So this is how it looks in your wrist, guys. Just fix your GoPro like this in here, and simply take any video like driving, cycling, anywhere you like. Subscribe for me, please. Thank you. In the next video.